Hey everyone, today we'll check out how to purchase the Art Lab bootleg package. You should know that there's been a recent update and now the full Art Lab bootleg pack includes over 800 vector mockups inside, featuring both men's and women's clothing in front, back and side views, all angles covered. Plus, you'll find over 1,000 clothing accessories like hoods, sleeves, pockets, zips, buttons and much more. There are also Procreate brushes included. Let's see how to buy it. We'll head to the website. If you need more info or want to understand it better, just read all the details on the site. Here you can see all the packs we offer, so it's not too late to create your own collection. This section describes exactly what you'll find. In addition to vector mockup updates, you'll find 40 high-res real mockups, 8 vintage bootleg templates, and a tech pack template. Our YouTube channel offers free tutorials and is regularly updated with new content. Let's select the full pack. Clicking this will take us to checkout. Now we choose our preferred payment method. We can use either a credit card or PayPal. In this case, I'll use a credit card. I'll enter the email address. Now I'll input the card details. I'll add the address and click Pay. After ordering, a screen will appear with a button to click. This will open another page. Let's click again. One more click and we'll download our PDF. Now let's open it. Let's open the PDF. Besides the thanks, you'll see a button to click for our drive link with all the files. Click it and the drive link opens with our full bootleg Art Lab pack. Sometimes clicking the package might open directly in a folder. Always click the name Full Pack Plus 800 at the top to see all folders of mockups you bought. There's a folder for real mockups. Clicking Vector Mockup shows all Vector Mockup files. Here's the tech pack template and various women's and men's clothing. The old folder isn't labeled as men's because it contains many, if not almost all, unisex garments. Opening the folders, you'll find various files. We've categorized all items to make your search easier. This way you can buy the Bootleg Art Lab full pack with tons of files to start your collection. Alright guys, see you in the next video.